Welcome friends, I am Sujata Agarwal, tarot card reader, numerologist and Vedic astrologer. Today I have come up with weekly forecast for the upcoming week for all the 12 zodiac signs. Let's start with Aries. For Aries, message is Empress, which shows this week will be full of abundance. If they have started some business or some other venture, so this week they will feel themselves quite abundant and their wishes will be fulfilled. They can hear any news regarding to pregnancy as well for this upcoming week. For sign Taurus, message is 3 of Swords, which shows in this week there could be some conflicts or some misunderstanding in your business, in your partnership, and it could be due to third person involvement. So take care of that. For next sign, Gemini, message is 10 of Pentacles, which shows this week will be a week in which they will enjoy with their family and they can have some good news related to property. If any case is going on, it will be in their favor and they will be getting elders support as well in resolving those issues. For Cancerian, message is Star, which shows all wishes and desire will be fulfilled this week, and in this week they will feel themselves emotionally and mentally balanced. For next sign, Leo, message is 6 of Wands, which shows in this week they will find support from their co-workers or seniors if they are in job. Basically, this card shows support from all around, or they can be some good public figure as well and getting support from public. Next sign, Virgo. For Virgo, message is Death card, and Death card means regeneration, which shows whatever issues they have and if they are in trouble, those trouble will be getting resolved and there will be complete change in themselves, or nature is indicating this is the time for complete transformation for them. For next sign, Libra, message is 4 of Cups, which shows they will have some kind of confusion in this week, but they have to clear their confusion as they might ignore some opportunity which is coming in their way and they are ignoring it due to confusion. For next sign, Scorpio, message is 4 of Wands, which shows this week they will have some celebration, some small party like housewarming party, or they will enjoy in their family. For next sign, which is Sagittarius, message is 9 of Wands, which shows that they will have some fear in their mind and it is due to their past experience, but they don't have to be worried as this is the last phase and all their issues will be getting resolved. They have to take care of their health as well this week. For next sign, Capricorn, message is 2 of Wands, which shows that this week they will have some plan to start new venture, and it shows that they are quite skilled, they are successful in one field and they can start something new in which also they will be successful. For next sign, Aquarius, message is 4 of Pentacles, which shows that this week they will have worry about money, but they don't have to be possessive for them. They have to lose their control. They have to be open up. Then they will feel comfortable. Else they will be more confused this week. For last sign, Pisces, message is Judgment, which shows if there is any delay in their project or some other important event. So they have to feel that although delay is there, but things will be in their favor, as this week will be completely in their favor, and judgment or justice will be done in their favor only, and at last they will be beneficiary. This is for all the zodiac signs. For further astrological predictions, you can get back to me through Astro Talk. All the best. Thank you.